जोरों को चंपा आज कौन सा क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हुआ? तो कहाँ तक हो गया था? पता ही नहीं कभी हैं? चलिए बात है कभी बता वाई लास्ट क्वेश्चन करेगा तो पूछ लो पता कहीं दो बार वही जाऊंगा फिर स्टार्ट हो रहा हूँ नहीं आया तीन बच्चा मैं तो वहाँ आता हूँ तुम्हारी बात नहीं बच्चा 8 7 6 डी के 7 तक वर्किंग मिले 7 तक हो गया 7 तक हो गया good morning student, hope you all are well at your home and you are doing with your mathematics work with honesty. Okay, so now I am starting the question 6th D, question number 7 is done. Now question number 8 is a very simple question. Question number 8 is a very simple one. P upon Q and root it is equal to Q upon P and whole to the power 1 minus 2x. Okay, root P upon Q is equal to Q upon P 1 minus 2x. Okay sir, तो देखो how can we solve this one? We need the value of x. हमें x की वैल्यू चाहिए और x in the form of the exponential power के फॉर्म में x है. तो what can we do here? We have to make the same base in left hand side and right hand side. Okay, left side और right side में base same करने हैं. तो base same करने हैं तो I think it is in the same, but P upon Q and this is Q upon P. सिर्फ एक जैसा बना रहा है. इसको Q upon this one we can write P upon Q या this one we can write P upon Q. या इसको इसकी तरह बनाओ या इसको इसकी तरह बनाओ. तो यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम ना हो इसलिए मैं इसको बना रहा हूँ. पहले तो फिलहाल देखो this part we can write P upon Q and whole to the power 1 by 2 is equal to Q upon 2 the power 1 minus 2x. This is under root and root we know that we can write in the form of 1 by 2. Now it is Q upon P, this is P upon Q. So now I am making the same base. तो यहाँ पे इसका रेसिप्रोकल करना है. तो Q upon P and whole to the power, the formula is if A upon B and whole to the power m. So what is the formula? So we can write B upon A and whole to the power negative m. So then minus 1 by 2 is equal to Q upon P and whole to the power 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x. Okay, now base are the same, so we can compare the power. The minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2x. So can we calculate the value of x? So minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 4x. Okay, so then it take it left hand side. So minus 2 and minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 4x. Minus cancel out, x is equal to finally 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is the answer of this question. Question number 8. Next question number 9. Okay, 9. Question number 9 and the 9 was 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 2x and equal to 8 whole 8 upon 27. This is our question. Same question, find the value of the x. और x किसके बेस में? 3 के बेस में. इसका मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड हमें बेस क्या बनाना होगा? 3 बेस बनाना है. तो रिमूव एंड कैंसिल ऑल द रिमेनिंग नंबर. तो 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 8, 5 to the power 0, it means value is 1. Formula a to the power 0 is equal to 1 plus 3 to the power 2x is equal to, now cross it is a mixed fraction, convert into the form of fraction. So 27 multiply by 8 then plus 8 अपॉन 27। ओके, मैंने मल्टीप्लाई इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि 8 और 8 कॉमन ले सकते हैं और उस 8 से ये कैंसिल हो सकता है। तो 8 1 प्लस 3 to the power 2x is equal to, can we take this common? 8 is common here, ये यहीं पे भी कैंसिल कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप यहाँ पे भी कैंसिल कर सकते हो, तो अगर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है तो 8 is common out, what is left? 27 plus 1 and upon 27. Okay, when we remove this 8 from this side, it go in the denominator, and denominator numerator we can cut the 8. Okay, so 1 plus 3 to the power 2x is equal to 28 upon 27. Now 3 to the power 2x, हमें 3 बनाना है दोनों साइड, इसको भी साइड करो यहाँ से, तो 28 upon 27 minus 1, तो 3 to the power 2x is equal to LCM 28 minus 27, तो 28 minus 27 1 upon 27। हम लोग अपने टारगेट की तरफ पहुंचने वाले हैं। 3 to the power 2x is equal to 1 upon 3 to the power 3, बस सेम बेस। तो देन फाइनली वी कैन राइट 3 to the power 2x, तो 3 to the power minus 3, bases are same, तो we can equate our power, तो 2x is equal to minus 3, तो x is equal to minus 3 by 2, so x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the solution of question number 9. Okay, next one is question number 10. 10 also a very simple one. So 10 root 8 to the power 0 plus 2 by 3 whole, then root is equal to 0.6 and whole to the power 2 minus 3x, 2 minus 3x, पावर अगेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट, पावर आप x आपकी पावर की फॉर्म में, तो लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड बेस सेम करो, तो क्या लिख सकते हैं? a to the power 0 means 1 plus 2 by 3 and whole under root, so this root we can write 1 by 2. okay, root means 1 by 2 is equal to, इसको भी सिंपल करो जरा, यहाँ पे इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? 6 upon, remove this decimal, तो 6 upon 10 and whole square whole to the power 2 minus 3x. okay, 2 3 जा 6, 2 5 जा 10, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 whole to the power 2 minus 3x. next 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3 and plus 2 5, तो 5 by 3 and whole to the power 1 by 2. देखो लेफ्ट साइड राइट हैंड से थोड़ा सा चेंज है, बस थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है, इसको 3 by 5 लिखो या इसको 5 by 3 लिखो, तो यहाँ प्रॉब्लम ना हो इसलिए हम इसको लिख सकते हैं। तो कैन वी राइट दिस पार्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द रेसिप्रोकल, तो 3 by 5, then what will happen with that power? Power sign will be reverse, negative formula. okay, 1 again 3 upon 5 and whole to the power 2 minus 3, तो bases are same, base are the same, तो we can equate the power, power को compare करो, minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 minus 3x. now solve it. How can we solve this one? तो take the number in the same side and variable in the another side. So what is left, sir? तो minus 1 by 2, take this minus 2 in left hand side, minus 2 is equal to minus 3x. now LCM, तो minus 1, 2 2 is 4, minus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 3x. so finally minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3x. okay, minus 3x, remove this 3 from this part. okay, so minus 5 upon 3 into 2 6 and minus minus, this minus and minus plus cancel is equal to x, yeah, x is equal to 5 by 6, x is equal to 5 by 6. so this is the solution of question number 10, solution of question number 10. now the number of question number 11, now the turn of question number 11. question number 11 में now I am asking one form question, do you solve the quadratic equation? can you solve the quadratic equation? write your answer in the comment section, yes or no. can you solve the quadratic equation, yes or not? so now question number 11, 3 to the power 2x plus 4, 3 to the power 2x plus 4 and plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 to the power x plus 2. this is the question. हल्का सा चेंजेस है, यहाँ पे साइन प्लस में भी आ रहा है 1 भी है, तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. ओके, तो दिस वन वी कैन राइट. ओके, 3 to the power, can we take 2 is common from this power, 2 is common, तो x plus 2 is left, नेक्स्ट +1 इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 3 टू द पावर x प्लस 2। अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें, हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड बेस सेम करने हैं, बट यहाँ प्रॉब्लम +1 और 2 ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कंसेप्ट अब चेंज होने वाला है। तो इस बुक का सबसे एंड में क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, इसीलिए सबसे एंड में दे रखे हैं, ठीक है। तो वी कैन लेट 3 टू द पावर x प्लस 2 3 to the power x plus 2 by any one another variable. Okay, we can let 3 to the power x plus 2 by any another variable. अभी इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, पहले देखो 3 can we write this part with x plus 2 and 3 whole square, because you know that if a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n, इसी को और क्या लिख सकते हैं, इसको लिख सकते हैं a to the power n एंड पावर बाहर ले जाओ m, तब भी क्या बनेगा n into m, सेम बन रहा है। तो सिमिलरली आई एम यूजिंग हियर 3x plus power x plus 2 and whole square and plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 to the power x plus 2 and this is 3x plus 2 3x plus 2 are the same. Okay, तो let 3x plus 2 is equal to y. ये सॉल्व नहीं होगा इसलिए मैंने ये सारी चीजें कर रहा हूं, मैं इक्वेशन को रिड्यूस कर रहा हूं, रिड्यूस। तो 3x plus 2 is y, तो then y and what is the outside square and plus 1 is equal to 2 and what is it, it is again y. Okay, so then this one we can write y square, take this part in left hand side, minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. And as you know that in earlier classes you had read about the quadratic equation, आप लोगों ने quadratic equation पढ़ी होगी, and I hope you are able to solve the quadratic equation. How can we solve the quadratic equation? Okay, Atulya Khantiar, very good sir. Yes, so many students are saying yes sir, we are able to solve the quadratic equation. So do you know how to solve this quadratic equation? Okay, the product of the first number means c, this is 1, and the coefficient of y square, the product of these two number is 1. Okay, and find the factor of the 2 in, okay, find the factor of the 1. Okay, then in such a way its difference या addition it will become minus 2. तो 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, but here is minus 2 is coming. So this one we can write minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, then it is minus 2. So by using this concept we can solve this quadratic equation. So y square minus 2y we can write minus y and minus y and then plus 1 is equal to 0. तो देखो minus y मतलब minus 1, तो minus 1 minus 2 and minus 1 into minus 1, then it become 1. Okay, then solve it. To y is common now, y is common, to y minus 1 is left. Now take here minus common, to minus 1 is common, then y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so again y minus 1 is common, and second what is left, y minus 1 is equal to 0. So what are the value of the y? First take this part, y minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is value of y? It is 1. क्योंकि अगर मैं इसको लेता हूँ, ये पार्ट कहाँ जाएगा, राइट साइड, तो राइट हैंड साइड विल बी 0. तो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, y minus 1 is equal to 0. तो y is equal to 1. Similarly for this part, again y minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So these are the value of the y. But our question is find the value of x. हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. तो how can we find the value of x? Now हमने जो स्टार्टिंग में लेट किया था, since 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to y, तो substitute the value of the y. तो 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to y is 1. y is equal to 1. On taking this part, y is equal to 1. So 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to, now we have to make the same base, but left hand side 3, right hand side 1. So how can we compare the both side, left hand side and right hand side? So this one we can write 3 to the power 0, and now bases are same, so we can compare our power. So x plus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 2. So this is the solution of this part. But we have the value of the y, we have two value of the y. हमारे पास y की दो वैल्यू है, तो इसके लिए 2 आया minus 2, तो यही सेम है, तो इसके लिए भी कितना आएगा, minus 2. Similarly for the another y, तो again x is equal to minus 2. So this is the value of the x minus 2. Okay, I hope you understand this question. अगर क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए yes sir or not sir. Yes or not, please write in the comment section. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया हो तो प्लीज राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन यस और नॉट. Okay, yes sir, yes Sambhav not yaar, very good. Abhyuday Bhandari, yes sir. Priyanshu Khandodi, no sir. Okay, Priyanshu Khandodi, I am taking one more question. Okay, with the based on the same concept. Okay, एक क्वेश्चन और ले रहा हूं, उसको आप देखना जरा फिर से. सेम कंसेप्ट यूज करूंगा एंड द सेम क्वेश्चन. ओके, अनदर क्वेश्चन एंड द क्वेश्चन इज question number 12. 5 to the power 2x, 5 to the power 2x plus 1, 5 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 6 into 5 to the power x minus 1. ओके, फिर से वही क्वेश्चन है सेम लगभग. तो हमें क्या करना है सर इस केस में? 5 की पावर x, ये स्मॉलेस्ट फॉर्म में, तो ब्रेक दिस 5 to the power 2x plus 1 in the form of 5 to the power x, then we can let 5 to the power x by any another variable. तब हम उस 5 की पावर x को क्या कर सकते हैं? किसी अदर वेरिएबल से लेट कर सकते हैं. इतना इजी क्वेश्चन है सर, समझ में आ जाएगा. देखो अभी 5 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 6, 5 की पावर x minus 1. तो break this 5 to the power x, तो we can write 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 1. Can we write this? Yes or not? Yes, we can write it. Okay, 6 into 5 to the power x minus 1. इसको पकड़ो 5 to the power x, हमें भी यही बनाना है सेम यहाँ पे. तो this part can we write 5 to the power x, this 5 to the power 2x and whole square. देखो 5 to the power 2x, 5 to the power 2x, तो then क्या इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 5 to the power 2 into x. Yes, we can write it. Now can we write this into the form of 5 to the power x? ये तब भी यही बनेगा 5 स्क्वायर एंड होल एक्स. क्या इसी को ही मैं ये लिख सकता हूं 5 की पावर x एंड होल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं? तब भी ये फिर से क्या बनने वाला है 5 की पावर x into 2 या 2 into x. तो so I am writing here this 5 to the power 2x is the form of 5x whole square. Why I am writing in this way? Because we need the इसका पार्टनर चाहिए 5 की पावर x, 5 की पावर x, और हम इसको फिर लेट कर देंगे सेम उससे. ठीक है, into 5 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1 means 5 is equal to 6 into 5 to the power x minus 1. अब यहाँ पे लेट कर दो क्योंकि यहाँ पे कॉम्प्लिकेशन आने वाली है, तो इसको बहुत शॉर्ट करना है. तो लेट 5 to the power x is equal to y. I am taking 5 to the power x is equal to y. So can we write this into the y? So y this whole value and outside it is square and into 5 is equal to 6, again 5 to the power x y minus 1. So arrange in the left hand side, so then it will become 5y square minus 6y and take the 1 in left hand side, to plus 1 is equal to 0. Again the question is coming in the form of a quadratic equation, and I know you know about the quadratic equation. How can we find the solution of the quadratic equation? कैसे solve कर सकते हैं? तो देखो क्या करते हैं, quadratic equation is 5y square minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the product of this and this number. Find the product of this and this. So it is 5 1 जा 5 आ रहा है. तो now break this 5 in the two number. 5 को ऐसा ब्रेक करो कि जो उसके फैक्टर बन जाए. तो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर ऑफ द 5 जो इसको डिवाइड कर सकता है? 5 को अगर मैं फैक्टर निकालूं प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से, तो 5 -5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -1 इज इक्वल टू -6 बन रहा है. -5 -1. तो देन द इक्वेशन वी कैन राइट हियर 5 स्क्वायर minus 5y minus y. Okay, because we need the -6, so minus 5y minus y. Okay, and plus 1 is equal to 0. So then what is common out? 5y is common out. y minus 5y is common out. y minus 1. Now जो यहाँ पे बन रहा है वही यहाँ पे बनाना है. तो ऐसा क्या कॉमन ले इस वाले पार्ट में कि y minus 1 बन जाए? तो माइनस कॉमन एंड 1 भी लेंगे साथ में, 1 कॉमन. तो y साइन विद रिवर्स, दिस साइन विद पॉजिटिव क्योंकि कॉमन लिया है, माइ प्लस है तो प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा और 1 की जगह 1 ही आएगा, इज इक्वल टू 0. तो व्हाट आर द टू फैक्टर? अगेन y minus 1 कॉमन, तो 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. तो first take this part is equal to 0. It will become in right hand side. It is going to the right hand side. तो right hand side 0. तो y minus 1 is equal to 0. तो y is equal to 1. Okay. Second time 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. तो 5y is equal to 1. तो y is equal to 1 by 5. तो these are the two value of the y. बट हमें y की वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए, हमें तो किसकी वैल्यू चाहिए, हमें तो x की वैल्यू चाहिए. ओके, तो x के लिए हमने क्या लेट किया था, since 5 to the x is equal to y, हमने ये लेट कर रखा है 5 to the power x is equal to y. ओके, तो फर्स्ट when y is equal to 1, तो substitute the value of y, तो 5 to the power x is equal to 1. Okay, equal to 1. Now compare the left right side, but it is 5, it is 1, so this one we can write 5 to the power 0. So on comparing the left side right side, bases are same, the power will equal, so x is equal to 0. Second time when y is equal to 1 by 5, y is equal to 1 by 5, so what is our equation, 5 to the power x, so therefore 5 to the power x is equal to, what is the value of y, 1 by 5. Okay, so this is, we can write 5 to the power x. Now we have to make the same base, but 5 is coming denominator, so this one we can write, taking 5 in numerator, so minus 1. Okay, bases are same, so x is equal to minus 1. So these are the two possible value of the x of the given equation. Okay, I hope you understand this one. And one more question, question number 13. It is your homework. Means try to this question at your home. If there is any problem, then tomorrow I will again I will solve that question. Okay, next question, question number 14. Yes sir, crystal clear. Okay, very good Priyanshu Khandodi, crystal clear. Okay, very good. Now so many students are saying yes sir. Okay, very good sir. Question number 13. So 13 is your homework. Try to that question, and if there is any problem, so tomorrow I will take that one and I will solve it from here. Okay. Now question number 14. Now 14, 15 and 16 all are the same, means here in the 14, 15 and 16 the concept behind all the question are same. Okay, so because lack of the time I am taking the question number 14. Okay, 14, the question number 14, solve for x, solve for x and y. Okay, the question is 9 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y minus 2. Okay, first equation, and second one is 81 to the power y is equal to 3 square into 27 to the power x. Now tell me, can you calculate the two equations, can you solve the two equations if x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 9? Can you solve these two equations? Okay, can you tell me in the comment section by which method we can solve these two equations? ऐसे कौन कौन से मेथड है जिनकी हेल्प से इन इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? Write in the comment section by which method we can solve these two equations. Devansh Notial, good morning and welcome in this class. Please tell me, write in the comment section by which method we can solve these two equations if the two linear equations are given, x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Yes, substitution method, very good. Any another method? One more method, elimination method. Okay, so we can solve these two equations by substitution method, second elimination method, and third one is cross product method. Okay, 8th class में भी है and अच्छा ये है substitution and elimination, but in the 9th class again we will deal this type of the question. Okay, हमारे पास for future ये चैप्टर आने वाला है, but 8th में भी ये क्वेश्चन था. ठीक है, तो same we have to make here the two type of the equation. So now 9 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y minus 2. So how can we find the relation between the power when the base will be same? So can we make the same base? Yes. So this one we can write 3 and 9 we can write 3 square. So 3, 2 and outside x, so then finally 2x is equal to 3 y minus 2. Y minus 2. Now bases are same. So then 2x is equal to y minus 2. So then first and similarly solve this part also. On solving this part, so then make the same base, it is the multiple of 3, 3 का multiple, ये भी 3 का multiple है, तो we can write left hand side in the form of 3, क्योंकि same base करने power में relation बनाना है, तो this one we can write 3 to the power 4y, because 3 3 is 9, to 9 3 is 27, and finally 81, and outside y is equal to 3 square, and this one we can write 3 3 3 is 9 3 is 27, 3 and outside x, so finally 3x, so 3 4y is equal to 3, bases are same, so what can we do with their power we can add 2 plus 3x, now left side right side base same, so 4y is equal to 2 plus 3x, so these are the two equation. Arrange the equation. If you know about the elimination method, so you can solve these equation by elimination, yeah, if you know about the method of substitution, so you can solve these two equation by substitution method. Okay, so I am taking here elimination method. So first arrange in the form of x and y in left hand side, so can we write this equation 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. Okay, 2x minus y is equal to minus 2 is one equation, and second इसको मैंने ले लिया इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. सिमिलरली अरेंज दिस इक्वेशन, तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं 3x देखो 3x एंड माइनस 4y, क्योंकि x वाले और y एक साइड अरेंज करना, इसको लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आ जाओ, तो माइनस 2, तो 3x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2, तो फाइनली 3x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2, तो दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 2. Okay, so solve these two equation and write your answer in the comment section. Okay, then I hope you can able to solve the question number 15 and 16. 15 and 16 में भी यही concept यूज हो रहा है. इक्वेशन बनाओ, इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करो और x y की वैल्यू निकालो. Okay, क्या बोल रहे हैं? Okay, so please solve these two equation, and now the timing of the new class, so I am leaving this session, and I hope you understand all the questions, and tomorrow I will start the new chapter. Okay, and what is the new chapter? तो in the tomorrow कल हम लोग आपको क्लियर करके बताएंगे कौन सा नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा. इसको सॉल्व कर लेना, इसकी x और y की वैल्यू कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख देना बाद में वीडियो के एंड होने के बाद. ओके, नाउ थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड टुमारो वी विल मीट अगेन.